everyone! In this video I am doing a bridal makeup look with a focus on beautiful bronzy skin of my model. Of course, I applied some light skincare in advance, and I start with the peach strobe cream to reach the inner glow of the skin and highlight its golden tone. I applied it only on the side parts of the face, because in the middle I will apply another mattifying primer to avoid too much shine in this area. Perfect sheer foundation. My beautiful model has amazing naturally even skin tone. We need just some coverage with a glowy finish.
Put your hands in mine, don't look back. Caution to the wind, let's start this dance. You're a little crazy, and I'm a little messed up, but I ain't got no maybes. You're my only one, I need you like a drug. My medication love, yeah, I'm ready to jump and choose.
Look how beautifully it sets. I am pressing in some concealer under the eyes and near the nose to reach more even color. And also refreshing the area under the brow.
I choose you, better or worse.
I always give cream textures an additional blend with a sponge for a perfect setting and thinnest layer of product. Golden highlighter on the top of the cheekbones, forehead and above the brow gives additional glow in these areas and additional freshness and youth to the skin. This golden brown bronzer will work perfectly for sculpting and bronzing the skin, bringing out its warm, sun-kissed tone. An orangey peach blush on the cheeks to finish up the skin, and then I move on to the brows that I made behind the scenes with these two products. And, of course, the eyes. This palette perfectly completes the warm skin tone that I wanted to show. I blend the bronzy brown color on the outer corner of the eye. Then I will deepen it with this darker warm brown color. Blending shadows with such a fluffy soft brush helps to reach a very natural look on the eyes due to a soft transition of color without sharp edges. On the middle of the eye, a peachy sparkle that matches perfectly the blush. And a champagne sparkle in the inner corner.
Every moment, every day.
I am blending the edges additionally with a clean synthetic brush to reach perfect transition of the color into the skin under the brow. I feel like I need some neutral color as well on the lower eyelid for a more complete look.
Put your hands in mine, don't look back.
And then I will proceed with the eyes, filling the lash line space with a black soft pencil. This pencil is self-fixing and long-staying, that's why I can also create a thin and sophisticated eyeliner wing with it.
My medication love, yeah, I'm ready to jump and choose you. In better or worse, I'll choose you, even when it hurts. 'Cause I'll choose you, every chance that I take. You'll never be second place. Every moment, every day, I'll choose you.
I love this technique, using a sharp brush for sharpening the edge of the line and creating direction of the eyeliner wing, just stretching it out like that. Then I'm filling it in with pencil again and repeat it as many times as I need. As a final accent, I apply this incredible sparkle right on the middle of the eye. And of course, lashes and mascara behind the scenes. Now, only the lips are left. I will use a pencil close to the natural lip color of my bride. Then I am filling in the lips with a creamy nude lipstick, blending it with a fluffy brush for a tint effect. And that was the final step of our makeup process. Now let's see the final result and my favorite before and after. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think? Does this makeup fit my model? Is there anything you would do differently on her? And would you like to wear a makeup like this on your wedding day?
I'll choose you, even when it hurts. 'Cause I'll choose you, every chance that I take. You'll never be second place. Every moment, every day, I'll choose you. 'Cause I'll always choose only you.
I wish you a great week. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!